Ethereum shows potential for a 2.6% move up by March 22 Crypto Predictions reports. To start off, here's where the market currently stands. Ethereum is now up 0.4% since yesterday and trades just under $2,155.36. Let's move into expert prediction mode. Based on Crypto Predictions' data, the price could touch $2,211 by March 22, an increase of roughly 2.6%. Cryptonization expects Ethereum to trade higher toward $2,182.21, an estimated rise of 1.2%. Coin price forecast points out it could test the $2,164 level, an upward move of 0.4%. A different forecast from Digital Coin Price highlights the possibility of Ethereum dipping to $2,113.28, marking a decline of 2%. Finally, Gov Capital Collector expects a slide to $2,093.05 by tomorrow. That's 2.9% under current price. This is the best return scenario. You've just seen 5 forecasts. Let's keep exploring. After reviewing the predictions, let's examine the numbers. According to the full set of predictions provided, the expected movement is somewhere between a decrease of 2.9% and an increase of 2.6%, depending on the analyst. When everything is tallied, Gov Capital Collector has the top return with 2.9% gain in value by March 22. Ultimately, you could earn between $4 and $29 for every $1,000 you invest. When we look at the odds, Coin Price Forecast takes the top with a 93.4% chance of success. From the 5 independent forecasts, I've shaped a combined view of the market. Consensus calculations put Ethereum around $2,152.71. Let's see exactly what that means. Consensus figures point to a 0.1% reduction in price. To make it clear, your capital may rise by roughly 0.1% as well, in alignment with that outcome. For 1,000 invested, this scenario might mean a gain close to $1. According to the analysis, the chance of the consensus scenario playing out is around 94.3%. To add context, let's check how analysts view the 3-day direction. Crypto Predictions anticipates further appreciation for Ethereum. According to Cryptonization, the short-term direction likewise points upward. Also, Coin Price Forecast frames the 3-day picture as bullish. A slide is anticipated by Digital Coin Price with pressure on the downside. Also, Gov Capital Collector describes the near-term path as bearish. Bringing all forecasts together, the consensus points to Ethereum remaining largely unchanged. From this overview, the majority conclusion is that Ethereum will lean upward over the coming 3 days. 5 forecasts were made 2 days back. Now we see which ones matched reality. As a result, yesterday ended with the market at $2,146.27. In this case, only 2 forecasts lined up with the actual move. The smallest error belonged to the forecast of Crypto Predictions. Now it's time to see the outcome more closely. None of the 5 forecasts were within yesterday's trading span. As far as ROI is concerned, several predictions were profitable, but Crypto Predictions stood out with 2.5%. Take a look at the results table. It shows the overall outcome of all forecasts. As for CoinCodex, the data shows minus 2.5% ROI and $77.28 accuracy. Look closely. Who do you think gave the strongest forecast? Now you'll see how tomorrow's potential gains look for Ethereum compared with other assets. The leader today is Polygon, showing a forecasted 1.7% return. What you see here is a sample of 5 coins, and a wider comparison of profitability among many cryptocurrencies will also follow soon on my website. Subscribe now so you don't miss the next strong move before it happens. Have a good day ahead.